Hello YouTube, this is the unboxing of the HP G64 laptop from the G series of HP. I bought this today at Fry's for it was $429.99, but with tax it was about $170. I already cut off the tape just because it's a hassle to take off. So let's get started. Basically, to show you the specs, it's all right here. That's basically it. While I was looking for it, I saw that it had 3 gigabytes of RAM. It had a 320 gigabyte hard drive, and all for about $470, which I found a good deal. So let's take this out. Okay, this is the laptop. I'll set that right there. Okay, this is this basically tells you everything it has, the instructions. Let's see what's in here. This basically tells you worldwide telephones. It was just a little promotional thing. Alright, set that aside. Alright, let's see what else comes in the box. We also have the charger, neatly packed. I'm guessing the cable that goes right here. Alright, everything's good. Let's see what this is. And this is, I really have no idea what the hell this is. I would say battery, but yeah, like, I'm guessing, yeah, it's the battery. Alright. Now let's get to the main part. Alright. So, this is basically a laptop or notebook, whatever you're going to call it. It looks very nice. And I'm assuming this is where the battery goes. Wait. Alright. Oh, I forgot. I'll put that later. Let me see. So we open this up. Wow. Looks very nice. Has the plastic all over it. Alright. I like how it looks. Everything looks good. Let me see if I can try to put this battery out. Look at the battery. See, it's right here. First you do that. First you go like this. And there you go. And that's basically how you put the battery. First you put the front and then the back. It has 2 USB ports, your audio port, your speaker port, HDMI, your Ethernet port, your VGA port, your SD slot, the charger, another USB port, a key lock system, the disk drive, and what's back here, and that's basically it. Alright, so let's take this off. Ooh. Gotta be careful. So yes, I bought this for $470 again. I found this a pretty good deal compared to the other notebooks that there were and the prices. So I'm pretty happy about this. And yeah, that's basically it. Subscribe if you want. I'll have more unboxings as time goes on. But thanks again for watching, right? And this was the unboxing again of the HP G64 G series notebooks. I bought this off of Fry's again, and thanks again. Alright, bye.